Alright, so I'm going to show you guys how to print a booklet. So basically when we print a booklet, if we're printing, say, like a 10-page booklet, it gets printed, 2 pages get printed on a really big, they get printed on a really big piece of paper, but it's kind of out of order. So especially when we have a 2-page spread, this is really nice to be able to print, just to view easily. So what you'll do is you'll end up going up to File, and down here, instead of Print, you'll do Print Booklet. And make sure you go Printer Settings, because we want to make sure for you guys we're doing a PDF. If you need to choose another printer, like actually printing this, you can. Usually copy one. In your setup, your paper size, 11 by 17. It's usually all the way down at the bottom. And hit OK. Go to your preview. And here, this is kind of what's going to show you what it's going to look like. Okay? So we got to go back to printer settings. Setup. Make sure to turn the orientation of the page sideways, so it's landscape. And hit OK. So now it looks like this. And you'll see blank page 2 and 3. That's not correct. Because normally this would be cover 1, 2, 3, and 4. So let's go setup. There we go. So just make sure you change your booklet type from 2 up style stitch to 2 up consecutive, just for this time, because we want these two right next to each other. And so now you'll see page 2 and page 3 are basically being printed on one page. So then you click print. Save it where you need to. I'll save mine on the desktop. And normally I'll call it whatever the file is, so maybe breakup letter booklet. I like to always add booklet at the end of that PDF name, so that way you know whether it's your normal PDF or it's printed as a booklet, and this helps the printers as well because this saves them an extra step. Hit save. Give it a second to export to a PDF. And mine's just going to take just a tad bit longer. All right, and now we have page 2 and page 3. So the whole 2-page spread that you created, we have on one PDF. So all we have to do is look at one page and we can see them next to each other now instead of one right after the other. And this is how I want you guys to export it for this assignment.